What's up? Yeah. Got some stuff here. Really? Oh, wait a minute.
Got some stuff.
I know what this is.
You order this?
Oh, finally.
Check it out, play hard.
Yeah, remember I got a guy over at Dorman?
Katie?
Yeah.
That's your guy?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. Hey, this comes in handy, huh?
This assortment is for my Pontiac, all right?
Look at this.
My
The whole thing. How many license plates you gonna put on it?
You know, I'm gonna put one of these in the holes for the license plate so I don't have to put a nut and bolt behind it. And then you got these, which are smaller. You got the bigger ones. See, look, I can use one of these now. Instead right now, I'm using a nut and bolt.
On which one? Your Pontiac?
On my Pontiac for the rear bumper. It's a pain in the rear. See?
Well, yeah.
See how beautiful this is?
Loosen. These don't loosen. These squeeze on it.
Exactly.
Like if you get one of these here.
So we're gonna go over to the warehouse and we're gonna put this on right now.
See, look, you put one of these over here and you put the other one over there, and when you force them in, they don't loosen. They stay on.
No.
Sometimes you put a nut in the bolt and they fall off.
Well, don't forget, listen. See, usually all I would do is walk over to the car, but it's at the warehouse. I put it in storage for the winter. All right, remember my Volvo?
Oh, how can I forgot?
Wow. This is called a tease.
Oh, look at how many
It's called a tease. These are connectors, the straight ones. The ones that shape as a T is called tees.
One of them is a T, not a tease.
But look, it's got an S.
Tease in Italian means stiff.
Okay.
Well, anyway.
Well, listen, here's the thing. My Volvo has one of these.
These are okay to use for vacuum hoses.
That's my problem.
You know what else you can use these on? They work wonderfully.
What?
This is good for windshield washer systems.
Oh, you know about that?
Sometimes they split. One goes to the back, one goes to the front, same time. You know, different cars, all different stuff.
My Volvo has a lot of these, and one of them
for the vacuum
are
hoses,
very weak. They're borderline breaking. So I'm gonna go put the new one on.
Well, why don't we do that?
At the warehouse.
Let's do it.
Yo, watch this. Don't move. I got something for you. Don't move.
What do you got?
Nothing.
You told me to wait.
Nuts.
What's the surprise? You're so foolish.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.
Go ahead. So what's the story here?
Remember my little baby over here, right?
Yeah, the old Volvo. You gotta be kidding. If we put the time that we got into this car into like a Jag or something, we could have made a freaking $100,000. All
right, see, this is the three-way.
That's got a crack in it, right? Now I'm holding the light. Wait.
No, it's okay. No, leave it.
What am I, 3?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. That's a vacuum leak. Yeah, right. That goes to your thing and your other thing.
Yeah, and I guess the hose is broken.
See that? You guys see that little tiny crack right there?
Probably can't see it on camera.
And it's melting in the back a little.
So then you go over to your Dorman thing over here. See? If you got the one you need. Beautiful.
Right size, check.
Put the second one.
Put a little bit of veins on the neck, putting those in. Make sure they're all the way in. Now, let's go do the license plate. Here, open the garage.
Done deal. Look at this.
You don't have to.
Look at this.
You're not crazy Eddie. Take it easy over here with
Look at this.
All right.
See? And then if wherever the license plate needs to go, it's still slidable. See?
Well, yeah,
perfect.
You can align it after.
And then you can align it. So this is gonna be like a piece of cake now for me to
I know,
do
because
all this.
holding the nut and everything, sometimes you're in a hurry because you're all pumped up and everything's freaking out. When you go for a ride with your car, go for a ride, he freaks out, he's shaking, he's freaking out, so to put the nut in the bolt. This way it's easier.
Yeah, here's the thing. I will never forget when we took this car for a ride. The first time, I was trying to put the plate on. I was going like that because I was so excited. I dropped the bolt. I lost it.
So yeah, this is good. This set. It's good to have. Everybody should have one of these in their house because you never know. You know, you train a car, you sell one. You know, it's almost Christmas. They get new rides, new cars. But even one of these, it's good if you fool around with cars once in a while. You sell one, you buy one. It's sometimes as simple as I'm getting a fancy frame, license plate frame. Take the old bolts out; they don't fit. Well, we got a nice assortment. See, they're in. Now you just need a license plate to put there, which you have.
Yeah. Did you know when I got this car, it came with a 1959 Pennsylvania plate?
I do. I hung it up in a shop, remember? Well, anyway, that's how you do it.
No, what's this one-hander?
Taking over the world!
What do you mean that for? I don't know. One set of Dorman, license plate, hardware trays, and Dorman
vacuum
tees. And at a time. I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Don't worry about it. It's not the first time.
My dreams were always that I wanted to have my own speed shop, hot rodding, vintage classic cars ever since I was not even born yet.